Hi dear friends, it's time again. We are going to review the Potomacbeads Treasury bags for the month of October. These are all the supplies that you are going to find inside the October Treasury bags. We have check glass mixed beads, some gemstones 8mm, Potomacbeads Perfect Endless Ring 20mm, Potomac Pearls 4mm, beading needles, and this is a pack of 6. We have size 10, 11, and 12, 2 of each. We have also some check glass rounds 4mm, $10mm glass faced round, $4mm smooth round, some Potomac crystal bicons 4mm. We have a clasp with some rings. I'm actually going to open this. We have more crystals, 4mm as well. We have these voodoo funny faces. Some bottoms. We have some leaves. I love the lavender color. We have some press square fire swirl. We have this flat nugget. I love the colors of this bead. We have some Miyuki size 8/0, and it's transparent Montana. We have these square rings. We have some daggers. We have some thread in a green color. And we have these Potomacbeads thread cutters. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please visit the Potomacbeads company so you can get all these supplies. I will be uploading a video soon with some of these beads. Until next time. Thank you.